Why do we care about peer review? Unlike newspaper and magazine publishing, the peer review process in academic journals is rigorous. When a researcher submits a study to a peer-reviewed publication and it's determined to be within the scope of that journal's subject area, the editor passes it along to 2 or more reviewers. Not just any reviewers, though. Reviewers who are experts in the area about which the researcher is writing. After examining the manuscript based upon the criteria such as originality, contribution to the field, sound methodology, and so on, the reviewers make one of the following determinations: accept with major revisions, accept with minor revisions, or reject. If revisions are required, it goes back to the author and the whole process starts again. This is why publication can be a really lengthy process and why it's so difficult to research emerging trends, technologies, and so on. But the trade-off for such a lengthy process is, overall, a high-quality, thoroughly vetted study. So how do you ensure that your study came from one of these peer-reviewed journals? First, use the strategies you were shown during your library session. Specifically, make sure that you are limiting your searches using the peer-reviewed limiter. But let's say that you forgot that checkbox. Should you go back and revise your search so that the peer-reviewed limiter is checked? Yes. Are you going to do that? Probably not. I get it. I was a student too. So here's what you can do. If you're still in the database, for example, CINAHL, you can often click the link beside Source, and this will take you to information about the publication. You want to look for the following. Under Publication Type, it should say Academic Journal, and under Peer Reviewed, it should say Yes. Now, if you're working with Medline, it's a little confusing because everything is a periodical. So just head back to CINAHL, click Publications, enter the name of the journal for which you're searching, and you'll get a neat little summary telling you if it is or if it isn't a peer-reviewed publication.